friends, welcome to our channel App Reviews. This is Bernice and I will give you reviews on most useful and amazing apps that you haven't heard about. If you have heard about it but you don't know how to use it and what are its various uses. Friends, the app which I'm talking about, it's an Android cleaner, an absolutely free app. It's a phone cleaner as well as smart cleaner. I'll tell you everything about this app, but before heading towards the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel App Reviews. Do like this video as well. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever we upload any videos, you will get notified. Friends, Ant Cleaner is a cleaning app for Android booster app as well. It's a memory RAM cleaner, not only that, cache cleaner, and boost your phone as well. It is a junk cleaner as well for all your Android phones, and it can speed up your phone very easily. You can clean the junk files whenever you want, and you can even stop battery from draining. All these things in one just single app. I'll tell you each and everything about this app. Make sure to be with me till the end of the video so that I let you know how this app actually works, how you can make the best use out of it. And link I've already shared in the description box. When you go to the description box, click on the link, you can download this app. So friends, now come with me, I'll show you how this app works. So friends, now I'll show you how this Ant Cleaner Android Cleaner app works. As soon as you click on the link given in the description box of this video, this interface will come on your mobile screen. You have to click on install. I've already installed this app. It has been given 4.2 star ratings, 5 million plus downloads already been done, and short video has been given to you. You can have a look at it. When you install this app, which is called a new Ant Cleaner version with a new menu is there, so you can it's since 2014, and you can clean the application cache. Any folders are there or any clipboard content and anything is there, you can clean that. And it's actually called a basic explorer that helps you to remove the media files of your inner memory it's in having, or if it is having in any SD card, so it is help you to remove that if you want to. And some basic options will be provided to you which you can activate through Wizard and share the Ant Cleaner app also, and you get many information as well. You can get information about your battery too, how much is left. So when now we will click on open and see. When you click on open, this interface will come, and after that you have to click on allow to give the permission, click on OK, then click on yes. Now you have to allow the access by clicking on that. It's taking the see Ant Cleaner. Click on the Ant Cleaner, press the button, come back again, and now it's go. So if you want to clean anything from the memory or the storage or the system, you can get option of the any, so you can click on that and click on go, then you can do that. When you click on the three dots given above, it's a classic Ant Cleaner, basic explorer. In this, sorry for that, close it. In this you can get three, if you want any, if this is your downloads folder, this is your image folder and videos folder. So you can explore it if you want to delete anything, or if you want to clean anything, you can clean it from here. So battery information, if you want to know your battery information, it's now 52%, my battery information that it's 52% charged, so you can get the battery status as well. And if it is charging, it's not on charger, so it's coming not charging, and fast charging because it's not charging, so it's coming no, so you can get the battery information. If any other options, this is your RAM memory will be shown. It's my showing of my device, and it's inner memory, and it's intelligent qualifications and instances only. You can share it this app to anyone by clicking on the share option. And these are the option given. You can review as well, and if you want a review, you can review as well, or for the later on you can see, right? So after that, what I am saying that it's you want to wait, yes, I want to wait, and I will basic options are there. So this is one of the best things that you can get all the options, and you can clean stepwise, and you can have everything. You can even check your battery, you can even clear all the cache files from your whatever you want from the media, for the downloads, for the video, audio, anything you want to. So it's a good app, you can explore it. So friends, I'll be back with more amazing app reviews. Till then you can share your views with us. You can even drop your precious comments on our comment section till I come back. You have to stay safe.